very straight. Turn right at like half a mile.
Coworker lives like around here.
Really?
The apartment. That's right here?
Yeah. Turn left and
Here?
no, keep going straight. Then turn left at the end of the street.
Where are they?
They see the. Oh yeah, they should be here.
Oh, naunahan tayo. Sayang.
Yeah, just gotta find parking.
Pwede bang dalawang car yan? There's hot dog there. A dog wash. Restaurant pala yan.
Oh, there?
Yeah.
Tayo ng parking. Parking. Restaurant na pala to. Sayang yung spot kanina niya. Yun, palis. 2 hour lang.
Oh, I think right there. Yeah. Oh, sorry. No, that one.
Too small. Wait, the one over there?
I think that one might be.
Mukhang may U-turn ka. Yeah, please. Head car. Turn tayo.
Park right there at the very edge.
Nah.
I think it's. Right here.
Kasya ba to?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
But
O baka na lang siguro.
Nah.
Guide mo siya, Roy.
no, that's too small.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Yun, palis. Ayos. Dikit din siya, yo. Hirap lang mag-park dito.
Bro, I gotta park in front of this.
Kaya na nga niya, mahabay pa yan.
You should be able. Yeah, you should have space.
Two hour lang. Ilipat na lang pag ano.
Oh, there's a. I think there's a bigger.
Di okay na yan.
Like an actual parking spot?
I think so.
Where?
I think it's over there.
No, mag-park ka dyan.
Well, it's kind of hard.
Wait, I'm gonna call Megan.
Sure ka? Baka mawawalan ka.
Am I good? In the right?
So.
Ibaba mo
Yeah,
kaya to.
yeah, space. Hey Megan, where did you guys park?
You not even here yet?
Wala pa.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll call Data.
Hey, wait, look at the back.
Yeah, you have space.
Here.
Bye bye.
Okay na. That's good. Alright, dito na kami. Sabi ako.
Hey Jada, where did you guys park?
We're still finding parking right now. Why? Are you guys there already?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Tayo.
We'll see in like the neighborhood.
Oh, you are? We're right in front. Well, this is the mall before.
Like drone ko.
We parked
Oh shoot.
right on the park.
Roy, can you grab my water na? Hulog. Ilalim. Ayaw mo na kapag malayo.
We're basically right in front of the back. Oh, the volleyball.
Okay, that's it. Dito na kami sa Belmont. Noon na kami mga boys. Bye bye.